Ode to the road most traveled. To the road most traveled, for your wide lanes and endless blacktop, your efficient conformity and assumed destinations, and your insistence that it is always best to go as fast as you can and pay as little attention as possible. Thank you. For with all your presumptions, you have winnowed the crowd and left these other roads, our roads, most pristine, peopled with the ones who refuse to compromise, who believe that vitality is a choice, and life is a verb, who know that if you arrive without your principles, then you haven't arrived at all. Thank you, road most traveled, for not being enough, for begging us to ask the question, do you even need a road? And to all who stand at an on-ramp anxious to discover something more, but unsure where to find it, this manifesto. Go where you must go. Follow a map of your making. Stay with the heart of it, and you can't go wrong.